rides on a high of sorts, simply because we're moving on to the other big piece of corporate news. In fact, Vodafone Idea has filed a fresh plea in the Supreme Court in the AGR case, seeking recomputation of AGR dues. Samir joins us again with the latest. Samir, please tell us what that case is all about and Vodafone Idea's latest appeal.
So the financially stressed Vodafone Idea has once again approached the Supreme Court and has filed a fresh Supreme Court challenging the calculation of the additional AGR dues by Department of Telecom. So in its petition, Vodafone Idea has challenged that the entire calculation, it has not been done properly, and it also not comes under the scope of the Supreme Court prior to AGR. So basically, has contested that the calculation of rupees 2,774 crore rupees of additional AGR dues by Department of Telecom, it's miscalculated because there are certain calculations which are done on a repetitive mode. This entire amount of 2,774 crore is for the financial year 2018 to 2019. So that has been challenged by Vodafone Idea and has thought that recalculation has to be done, and that should be done prior to FY 2070 period. So that's a major argument in its fresh petition. But let me also add over here that this is not for the first time that Vodafone Idea is actually approaching Supreme Court. Earlier also we have seen that earlier in this year itself, Vodafone Idea approached the Supreme Court seeking sort of a relaxation or relief from Supreme Court for the AGR dues of around 45,000 crore rupees, and they sought some sort of relaxation, but that was dismissed by the Supreme Court, citing that this does not comes under the jurisdiction of the court, so it has to be decided by the department or the ministry. And now once again Vodafone Idea has approached the Supreme Court. Whether it is accepted or what sort of ruling will be there, that we will say in coming days. But now Vodafone Idea in its entire exercise is giving that sort of on one side, Vodafone Idea is already going through a financial stress period, and any additional amount or dues will actually stress the burden for the debt-ridden company. And it is also very important to note that the moratorium period is up till 31st of March 2026, beyond which the amount has to be paid. And that is very important for Vodafone Idea, and that's why we understand that they have once again approached the Supreme Court seeking some sort of relaxation or relief from the Apex Court.